Michels, it's your girl officially Michelle here, and welcome back to another video. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Michelle, and in today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys a Shein haul. Yes, I went on Shein and did a little bit of damage about a month ago, and I figure why not share with you guys what I got. This is going to be a Shein summer haul because majority of these items are things that you can use if you're going on vacation, you can use in the summer. I actually purchased these items for the summer. So yeah, so let's get straight into the haul. The first items that I'm going to be sharing with you guys are shoes. I ended up getting 2 pairs of shoes from Shein, and one is a mule, which I'm gonna insert right here. So I ended up getting a pinkish nudish pair of mules from Shein. This is a really nice heel. It's constructed good. I got this in a US 9, and I really do like these. I do see myself getting a lot of use out of them. Again, they are very straightforward mules, and they're pretty affordable. I think they were $20 something, so they're pretty affordable. And again, they are constructed nice. They don't appear cheap in my opinion. So yeah, so that's basically what I actually have them on now in this video. The next shoe item that I got from Shein is this creamish, I don't know, it's a tie strap heel. I don't have a lot of tie strap heels, so I decided when I saw this, I was like, this looks so nice on the model, and the reviews of it were so nice. So I was like, you know what, I'm definitely gonna get this. The shoes is however not like cheaply made. I really like it. I had these heels on for literally the whole try on portion, you guys will see, and they are very nice. I got this in a Euro 40. Yes, I got this in a Euro 40 because that's my size. I don't size down ever on Shein, especially when I'm buying shoes, because you can't do anything if the shoes don't fit, right? I do 8.5 at times, but again guys, make sure you're reading the reviews because reviews are very important. They help, trust me. So now we're gonna move into the clothes. I did get a bunch of pieces, so I'm gonna try to go through it very quickly because I really don't want this to be a long haul. But I did get a bunch of pieces from them. So the first thing that I got from them was this rolled cuff crisscross tie back crop blouse. Oh my god, that's so much. I've been seeing a lot of people wearing it, and that's why, or I've been seeing it on a lot of different sites. Like I've seen it on Zara, but it was a bit pricey. So when I went on to Shein and I saw that they had it, I definitely said that I needed to try it just to see if it would look very nice on me. And I do like it. I could have sized down to a medium, but overall I am big busted, so obviously I really wanted to make sure that it fit. Also, the material is very nice, and it is constructed pretty nicely to say it's a Shein. It was $14, so it wasn't badly priced as well compared to what I've seen on other sites, and I think it's a very nice top. Now let's move on to the second item, the clothing item that I got from Shein. So this second item I got is just a drawstring dress. It's ribbed. Ribbed material or ribbed dresses give you this illusion of curves, in my opinion. It hides my fupa, and I really like that about this. I think this is something that I would definitely wear on like a date night with my partner, if we're going out and I'm feeling sexy. I also think it would look nice if you're on vacation. You can wear it with some flats. So I really do like items that I can dress up and dress down. So I really like this tie knot dress. It was $15, and I did get it in a size medium. The next item that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is this frill trim tie front crinkle dress. And this dress I am in love with because I really was looking for something that gave me vacation, summer, and I think this dress really gives me that. I truly love it. I did get it in a size large, and what I like about it, I can wear it off the shoulder if I want to, or I can just wear it how I have it. I also like it because I can wear it without a bra, and anything that I can wear without a bra I am 100% liking, because you know when you heavy set and majority of the times you have to have some support. So I really do like items that I can wear with without a bra. So I really do like this dress, and again I got it in a size large. The next item that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is this solid tank top and pants set. I love this. This is something else. This is something again that I love. I really did good this time on Shein. I really got things that I truly enjoy and I know I'm gonna enjoy wearing. So I ended up getting this. I saw this on the model and I'm like, I would love to wear this on vacation, or even if I'm not on vacation and I just want to go to brunch. I think this is a very nice item to wear to brunch, or even in the night. Like, I feel like this is very, very versatile. The pants I can wear with a bodysuit or another top, and then the top I can wear as a crop top with maybe some jeans or even with some pants. So I really, really, really like it. The pants is however big, and when I was trying it on, it did pop off a button, but I feel like that's something that I can sew on. I'm not very picky when it comes to certain things, and this item was $24. The material as well is very, very linen-like, very soft and very flowy, so I really, really, really love this. The next item that I'm going to share with you guys is another top and pants set, and as you guys can see, this is hands down another fave of mine. I did good this time on Shein, like, I'm proud of myself. But yeah, so I did get this in a medium though, because I guess based on the reviews, I got it in a medium. I enjoy this. I can't wait to wear this piece because I don't have to wear a bra with it. And again, anything that I don't have to wear a bra with, guys, I am in love. Anything that supports me without a bra, I love. Like, if your stuff don't support me without a bra, if your stuff don't support me, half the time I'm annoyed, but I'm still wear it. But I love items that, listen, this right here, I love. I feel like I can wear it with heels, I can wear it with flats, I can even wear it with sneakers. I am just truly, truly in love with it. It fits me nice. The pants also is very fitting. It fits me nice. To me, this complements my body a lot. Again, I do like the fact that I don't have to wear a bra on with the tie top. The material of this is very, very thick, so it holds, so it's not see-through or anything like that. So if it is that you are interested in this two-piece, I would say go ahead and get it. And it was only $17. Like, I feel like you can't go wrong with this two-piece set, and it's only $17. Like, you can't go wrong. The next item that I got is this drawstring rib tank top, and I just got this just because I felt like I wanted some tank tops in my closet. I feel like tank tops are things that you can wear with blazers. You can also wear it with like jeans. You can just dress it up and dress it down however it is that you want. And I really liked the tie part of it because, again, I think I can wear it without a bra if I choose to just let it all hang out. And I really do like that because the tie gives it an illusion of like very perky boobs. So I really do like this top, and I did get it in a size medium. I could have sized down to a small, but the tie part wouldn't have been the best, so I'm glad that I got it in a medium. The second to last item that I got from Shein is this solid puff sleeve knit top and slit skirt. Listen, this I am loving. And I know it's knit, and I live in the Caribbean, so like some of you might be like, why are you getting knit items? I really do like them sometimes when it's raining. And I also got this because, again, I thought I was gonna go on vacation, so I ended up, you know, I think it's something that you can wear with a bodysuit. You can also wear this with like a swimsuit top and the skirt. You can also wear the full thing as like a overall if you know if you're on vacation and you are going somewhere. And I also think this is something that you can wear to go out. It's very nice, it's very form-fitting depending on how you feel. I do believe though I should have sized up to a large because the top, because I wear a bra with it, even if I don't wear a bra with it, but the top is very, very short, so I should have sized up, so then maybe it would have been more fitted. Like, it wouldn't, like if I raise my hands, you would see everything. So yeah, so this is basically my second to last item, but I genuinely love it and I do know I'm gonna get use out of it. So the final item that I got from Shein is this lapel collar single button blouse, and it comes with the shorts. This is another set. You guys are gonna be like, wait, you got all sets? Technically majority are set items. This last set though, I really love. It was only $19, and the material, guys, the material for all of the pieces that I got, they were really good. Like, they were really good. And the only thing I don't like with this particular set is that it has loops for like a belt, and I'm just like, I'm not gonna be wearing a belt. Like, you're not even gonna see the belt. But this is a very nice two-piece set as well. This is something that I think would look very nice if you're out on vacation. You can dress it up with some heels, dress it down with some sneakers. It would look so cute in some white sneakers, like But yeah, so that is basically what I ended up getting from Shein. And how can I forget the final item that I got? The final item that I got is this top that I have on here, and it was very affordable. It was like $13, and I really do like it. I love how it fits, and it looks very nice. As you guys, I don't know if you guys can see, it looks very nice in these jeans. I really do like button downs. I am gonna get this in a large. I did get this in a medium because I didn't want it to be oversized or overly baggy, and I think it did the job. It's doing the job. To me, it's very classy looking. I felt like I didn't need to break the bank to, you know, get a nice top. So I really like this. I think it's cute, and I think the material is pretty good for the price. Alright guys, so this is basically where I'm gonna end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know in the comments what items you like, what items you don't like, what items you're gonna get. I will be leaving all of the items in my description box below with the links. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, if you're not following me on Instagram, head over to Instagram and follow me at It's Officially Michelle, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for all of the support. I really needed to come on and say that I really do appreciate all of the support and all of the love. But yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in my next upload. Bye.